Hey guys, so this is Kathleen Nelson, and I decided that I was going to do a pattern. I'm going to step out of what everyone's been doing a little bit. So I'm going to show you the pattern that I made. It's reminds me of a checked shirt. Here it is. So let me show you how we got there. So the first thing I did is right here, I put my background to white. My HTML is real basic, real simple. Literally, I put a header and a body, and I put some text in there just so I could see what was going on and what it was doing. So back here, I said that we're going to do an image. I said that we're going to do a linear gradient. We're going to start at 90 degrees. So instead of going up and down, we are going side to side. The color we are starting with is this pretty dark purple. The saturation is 0.693. We're only going 50%, and then we're going to go transparent 0. And the background size is a 30 by 30 pixel. So the next color we're doing is, again, 30 by 30. So linear gradient, RBG, this kind of, I don't know, mauve type color, 50%, and then we're going to transparent. So what we're doing is we're taking our gradient and we're literally cutting it in half by a 30 by 30 pixels. So 15 pixels will be this dark purple, 15 pixels will be transparent, which will show the white background. And then we went to the kind of this plum color. We're going, again, a 30 by 30 pixel. 15 pixels will be this color before it becomes transparent using a gradient at this color. We're also going to obviously repeat because it's only a 30 by 30 pixel, and we're filling the whole background. So by doing all that, you can quickly see that you come up with this. And you can see my 30 by 30 pixel. Here's that dark, really pretty purple. And it's all going this way. So there's the darkness and there's the transparency, dark transparency, so on and so forth. The other one, if you noticed, I'll pull it back up. We did not specify a 90 degree. So this is going from top to bottom for every 30 pixels. So as you can see, it goes from kind of this medium plummy to transparent, medium plummy, transparent, so on and so forth, all the way down. And that is how you get this really pretty, really simple checkered pattern.